Gusto ko lang malaman nyo na talagang mahal na mahal ko yan si Rachel. Siyempre. And of course, this song is for her and for all of you. We smiled, and that's how it all started. And you came right in time when I needed someone. And we said hello. Suddenly my heart was beating fast. So it's you I've been waiting for so long. So it's you, where were you all along? Very special moments, these will always be with me. We are here, you and I, we belong.
We touched and we felt more beautiful, and two hands reached out. There was so much love felt there inside. There is no denying I'm in love. So it's you
I've been waiting for so long. So it's you, where were you all along? Very special moments, these will always be with me. We are here, you and I, we belong. Look at us, and we're falling. This is just the beginner's love, baby.
We're just one touch, two different people with something worthwhile apart, have touched each other's heart like candles in the dark. If it's time for us, we're gonna take it, take the chance to win it now.
Let the love begin. Let the light come shining in. Who knows where the road will lead us now? Look at what we found. Make this moment turn our hearts around. It may never come again. Let the love begin. be with me. We are here, you and I, we belong. Whoa. We are here, you and I, we
Mr. Mark Bautista
Thank you
and
so
Mr. Christian Bautista!
Thank you very much.
Grabe.
Ako ngayon, Rachel, makikita mo na.
Ah!